Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another repair video. So what we have here is the first iPad I'm doing on this channel. This is an iPad mini 2, and as you can see, it has a cracked screen. It's cracked along the bottom here and it goes all the way up. This is my cousin's iPad and my aunt asked me to fix it for him, so I'm going to be fixing this today. It's fully working minus that crack. The LCD is totally fine. As you can see, I have a new digitizer, and we're going to go fix this. So I have done iPad repairs before, but I haven't done too many of them, and I've never done one on video. So this is going to be interesting. Anyways, of course, the first thing you do is turn the device off, but as you can see, we're out of batteries, so it's good as it is. Let's start the repair. So you might notice throughout this video, I am picking up the hairdryer at odd times, and that is because the hairdryer I'm using overheats, and so I can only get it to produce hot air for a little bit before it dies again. I'm working on getting a heat gun, but I currently don't have the money for it, so I just had to deal with this. So you'll probably notice the low battery thing come up a few times. That is because I pressed the power button a few times because I thought I might have broken the LCD. So I was just checking to make sure I didn't break it. So nothing's set down yet, but I do have the new display on, the new digitizer, and I'm going to see if it works now. Just gotta charge this up. So as you can see here, testing the screen out, everything seems to work perfectly fine. Just by dragging the assistive touch, I can test. I tried typing on the keyboard, everything seems to work fine. So now we're going to fully assemble the iPad. So when I was prying up the LCD, I did make a very minor mistake. So if we look right there, you can see that the LCD, the place where you screw it down, cracked right off of that. The LCD is not broken, and it really shouldn't be a big deal since I can secure it down fine with the other 3 screws. Though there is a minor mistake which I will have to do better with next time, but that seems to be the only mistake I've made so far. Anyways, let's close up this iPad. And it's done! The iPad is fully working now and has no cracks on the screen. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. Anyways, thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.